101.1 Smartfm, the spirit of Indonesia, Smart Up Your Life, BPC.
Wow, bright and breezy.
Oh my god, thank you guys. Okay, anyway, because this is the last segment, oh my god, okay, it's so sad. But it's okay, we will still meet for the next time, maybe next week, yeah,
Yes.
probably like that. Okay, anyway, maybe I wanna invite you or ask you about the conclusion, but give solution about the climate change. Maybe are you first? Okay. What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
Okay, so my conclusion about our topic in this
Yeah.
time is about actually it's about climate change. So you know that climate change is like emission of human. Yes. So it impacts some because of the emission of humans is impact climate change. Yes, and
So the solution to minimize the effect of climate
Yes.
change. What is the solution for
Okay,
you?
my solution is there are some. The first is about when you go to market, for example. Sometimes you bring much plastic, but or in this time, please change the plastic to tote bag, for example, because tote bag is strong and it can use in a long time than plastic, and then what we have discussed before, please using public transportation if you can, please do it, because using car too much, it make traffic.
Yeah.
And also,
this we call ember. Emang suka bener. Okay.
maybe I think that's all from me.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
What about you, Fauzan? Do you have a conclusion and also a solution for the climate change?
Okay, for climate change itself, I know that climate change is something naturally happens, but that we can't control it.
Yeah.
But we can control it by our activities, right? We can reduce our penggunaan for vehicles, using vehicles, and but I believe that we are moving into 5.0. Not 4.0.
From 4 to 5.
5.
And after that 6.
But in 5 we are in metaverse, right?
Yeah.
I think we don't have to use any vehicles. I think so.
Yeah.
Because probably because mostly all of activities are using by gadget or computer. That
Maybe we can use flying public transportation except airplane.
Okay, I hope so.
Like a fly car.
yes.
Fly car, but electricity power. Right?
Yes.
So if the energy is less, oh my god. no, kidding. Okay, so do you still have any addition about your conclusion and your best solution about the climate change?
Okay, I think that's all. Yes.
Okay, if we still have an extra time, please guys to prepare your vocabularies about our relate topic this evening, and also idioms and wise word. Okay, I move to you, Nanda.
Yes.
What is your conclusion and your best solution to minimize effect of climate change?
And my conclusion is climate change is the change of the condition, and it may be caused by the human itself. So we can give a best solution. We can start from ourselves, like use public transportation, reduce a lot of plastic. And then I will give my solution.
Yeah.
Let's be awareness of our environment, because maybe the little things that we make, it can it will have a big impact on our environment or our earth.
Start from the little things.
Yes.
To make a great things,
Yes.
right? Oh, good. Okay, what about you? Do you have a conclusion and also solution about climate change?
Okay, my conclusion for the last.
Yeah.
Climate change is unpredictable. Sometimes it's getting cold, sometimes it's getting hot.
And something getting snow and
yeah,
summer,
summer.
spring.
And as a human, as I said before, we have to minimize it. And to minimize this climate change, we
Need
have
awareness from the all of peoples.
Give an awareness
Okay.
to how to say mengurangi.
Reduce.
To
Reduce, minimize.
To reduce the using of the gas.
Yeah, maybe the example of like that is like reduce, reuse, recycle. To make efficiency the things that we have on Earth, right? So okay, thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to ask you guys about this is the last maybe, because we still have 1.5 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, do you have idioms or vocabulary? Start from you, maybe, or final statement or wise word. Okay, vocabulary. What is your vocabularies?
I think I start with idiom first.
Okay, idiom. Okay, come on. Yes.
A rising tide floods all houses.
It means Indonesia.
It means pasang akan membanjiri semua rumah.
Wow.
Tide floods all the
Rob,
houses.
like rob.
Yes.
Rob. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. What about vocabularies? Do you have vocabularies?
Okay, about vocabularies. I think mitigation. It's called mitigasi, cara mengatasi, and what else?
Okay, final words or wise word.
Okay,
or
wise
message
words.
to smart listeners and viewers at home.
Okay.
See the camera.
Okay. By polluting the ocean and not decrease the using of carbon dioxide. I mean the using of gas. It will kill our planets.
Okay.
As we know that this our planet, there are no other planet that we can live in there. So we have to save our world, our Earth.
Okay. Thank you, Fauzan. What about you? Do you have vocabularies or idioms? Vocabularies.
Vocabularies first, maybe about Earth.
Pardon?
Sorry, change.
Okay.
Okay, my vocabulary maybe is about may I say population?
Yes.
Population.
Yes.
Yes.
What else?
Population, and then about gases.
Okay. What about you, Brian? Your vocabularies? Do you have vocabularies? Only vocabularies.
Only vocabularies.
Yes.
Only one. Unpredictable.
Unpredictable.
Yes.
Okay, tidak bisa diprediksi.
Tidak bisa diprediksi.
Okay, thank you. What about you, Nanda? Do you have vocabularies?
Maybe greenhouse. Greenhouse.
Not green tea. Greenhouse? What is that?
Just greenhouse.
Just greenhouse.
Yes, because if we translate Indonesia, rumah hijau, padahal artinya kan rumah kaca.
Yeah. Oh, wow, good. Okay, guys, give big applause for us first. Thank you, guys, for coming for the second home, our Smart FM, of course, and yeah. You know, every week we have a special topic. And our topic this evening is climate change or perubahan iklim. So that's all our conversation and discussion with BPEC in Smart Up Your Life program. And of course, do not skip. And of course, we will meet again next week at 7 p.m. Every Tuesday, and always loyal and stay tuned on Smart FM 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia. See you next week. Bye.